welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you with no makeup and wet hair, well, kind of damp hair, I let it dry a little bit, because today I am going to be testing for the first time the Revlon Pro Collection Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. So I heard a lot of amazing things about this. I heard that it's like the dupe for the Dyson hair wrap. Obviously this isn't gonna like curl your hair or do any crazy things, but I just heard that it's really awesome. Now I personally have tried different brands that look exactly like this like blow dryer brush, and I have really like frizzy wavy hair, so it didn't work for me. You know, I think the heat on the other brands was kind of like fake because it just made my hair look like the biggest poof ball. So I haven't even opened this. I picked this up today because I'm like, I have to try this. I heard that the Revlon one, which is this brand, is kind of like the way to go. By the way, please do not mind my white hairs. I'm so young, but I have a ton of whites. Yes, it's genetic. My mom got whites when she was super young too. And it is COVID time, so I haven't gotten my hair roots done in forever, and it's like really embarrassing, but I'm like, I'm not gonna let it stop me. So yeah, I mean, just give me some love because it already sucks that I have to deal with the whiteys at such a young age. Okay, so this is literally all that comes in the package. Seems pretty easy to use. I'm not really sure what this is. I guess this is like where the heat turns on. There's like a little twister. Oh, okay, yeah, off, cool, low, and high. There's like a twister dial. Seems like it's pretty straightforward. I heard a lot of people that have like really curly hair try this and it worked. It's pretty light. The other ones I tried, like the dupe ones of this one, were really heavy. So I'm just gonna plug this in. Okay, and before I get started, I'm just going to divide my hair the way I normally would. I know most people work their way from down to up when they like style their hair. But for me, oh my god, my whiteys are coming out. Oh girl. For me, what I like to do is I like to divide my hair into two parts. I'm gonna take this one and twist it. I'm gonna work with it later. So twist it, put it in like a little bun, and then kind of work in sections here. So I'm gonna start with the bottom section, clip everything else up. So I'm gonna brush my hair through, turn this on, and see how it works. Okay, so I didn't think it would be that loud. Let me just tell you, I'm pretty amazed. Like, I'm just looking at the mirror over here. My hair feels so silky, smooth. I have never felt my hair this silky except for when I've gone to the salon. But like I've never felt it this silky from just doing it at home. So far, I'm like really impressed. I do have a little bit of like poofiness right about here. I don't know if you could tell. I think that's because this is kind of a big section and I could definitely work in like a smaller section, like perhaps I should have done this section first and then this section. But wow, so silky and so straight, and definitely very different so far from the other lookalikes, like different brands that create this. This for sure so far has given me the best results. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of this side of the hair. I actually forgot to mention this, but I did apply heat protectant and also a styling cream by Olaplex before this. Okay, so far it's absolutely amazing. Who would have thought? I mean, for $70, it definitely does an amazing job. Especially if you're someone like me who only styles their hair once a week. My hair like never gets oily. Alright guys, this is the final result. I did go ahead and do this side of my head just because I felt like it was already kind of straightforward. The technique that I was using is like I was going this way and this way, so inward and outward on every single piece. But you could also just brush your hair, like pretend like you're brushing it over and over and over again, and it'll work just as great for you. I just want to show you the bottoms. I love how they're like jumpy. I'm so excited about this product because like I said, I tried different ones that look exactly like this on the market, like from Amazon, but I guess they were like the knockoffs of Revlon because Revlon's one is the one that actually works. And I think it's because of the heat that it actually, you know, uses is a lot more stronger or better, but also maybe like the design of the one, because my hair not only is like not frizzy at all, which is weird because my hair is usually like a frizz ball. Even when I style it with heat, even when I've tried blow drying it at home, it's always so frizzy. And with this wand or blow dryer, if you will, it's just super sleeky and silky, I mean, and really, really soft. Like, I don't know if you can tell, probably can. I can't stop touching it. So I feel like it's a really great buy. The only thing I will say is that the cord itself is a little bit short. I mean, it's not too bad. You can definitely work with it, especially if you're working right next to an outlet. But if you don't have an outlet next to you, you might want to keep that in mind. Other than that, I'm so happy, really excited. And the good thing about it is like if you do get bored of like the straight hair vibe, then you could always, you know, put some waves in your hair later on in that week and kind of just, you know, rock straight hair first and then wavy hair. But the base is already going to be ready because you're not going to have the frizziness. So shout out to Revlon. Thank you so much for this product. I guess it's going to make, I mean, I know it's going to make a lot of girls really happy out there. And I actually have personally heard of a lot of girls who have super curly hair, like not wavy hair like me, for example, and frizzy hair, that it worked really well for. So if you have curly hair, then don't hesitate. I literally can't stop playing with my hair. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video and for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed. If you end up getting this hair dryer, then please let me know in the comments down below. And I would love to know if you loved it and what your thoughts were. If you like this video, if you like YouTube beauty, lifestyle, and fashion videos, then please make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button so that you can be notified every time I post a new video. I'll see you next time and have a good one. Bye.